is free, and I give you all the praise.
Thanks, thanks, I give you thanks for all you've done. I am so blessed, my soul is at rest. Oh Lord, I give you thanks.
I give you thanks for this moment, and I will continually. For each day I live your praise to give. I'm blessed abundantly. I can't forget the moment when in my life you made such a change. Since the Spirit came, I am not the same, and I give you all the praise. I wanna say thanks.
Thanks, I give you thanks for all you've done. I am so blessed, my soul is at rest. Oh Lord, I give you thanks. For the time,
le au auna le ia e male wha maoni. Nga e wha maoni me iti nei o lea o te tōwhia i o e te pūlea i mea tele. Ulu whare maia i le fia fia o lowari. That is the way we want to say thank you, my brother, my pastor, and Paletua, and to all the pastor's family who are here. We love you and we thank you. Shall we all stand? Ia fo'i mai e tu maua tu pelo vi inga le tua te maa, le tua le alo, le tua le angasa. Paftaino malofa malawanga le